We just heard back from one of our happy customers in the form of a 5-star review, and we wanted to share it with the world. This is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers.
In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service to our customers, and this review shows we are doing a great job. We're very proud of this.
And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we will work very hard to earn both.
Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for stopping by. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.